Hey everyone, this is Amal from VNC project team. In this video, I'm gonna explain to you how you can log in into our support portal and what functions you can use inside it as a customer, and later on how you can create a ticket. So I'm gonna log in using this demo account as a customer, ITIL.customer. So I'm just gonna log in. And as you can see, immediately I'm redirected into the homepage of the support portal. In homepage, you can see that I have access to all the tickets that I created using my account. For example, here I can see that I have a total of 6 tickets. One of them is active, 2 of them are completed, one is awaiting approval from my side to accept the solution that was sent by the support team. 2 of them are cancelled, either by my side as a customer or from the support team. And we can explain later on in what case a ticket can be cancelled. At the bottom here, you can see the last updated tickets from my side as a customer. In the middle, there's a search. I can search anything inside my support portal. For example, I can search for a certain ticket. I can, for example, the second one, 14056. For example, it will lead me into the same ticket. It's cancelled. And you can also search for words as well. For example, we can search for the words just. I can see that I have one ticket that has the word just inside it, maybe in the description. And below the search, I can see as well a detailed list of the requests that belongs to my account. I can see their ID, the type, all of them are incidents, the date when they were created, and the due date, the date when I wish as a customer that my ticket would be fixed. This is not a mandatory field, but I can define it to inform the support organization that this is somehow important for me to be done within this date. A summary is the same field you mention as a customer inside your description of the ticket. For example, here, this ticket OS Ubuntu is not supported. And then the status, for example, this one is completed and recorded by. We mentioned earlier in one of the videos that there are 2 ways for you as a customer to create a ticket, either by going inside the portal itself and creating a new request by clicking here new request, or by sending an email to the support organization. And there is another way we did not mention, which is if you know someone inside the support organization, you can contact him per telephone and he will create it as well on behalf of you. For example, the first, second, third, and I think these, yeah, and this one as well, all of them were created by you, because we can see here that it's recorded by you, ITIL customer, the same one I'm logged in here. But we can see that the fourth one here, it is recorded by help desk member, which means someone who has this account, help desk member, inside the support team, got the request from your side, but either by email or by telephone from your side, and he created it on behalf of you. And this is why you also have access to it, because it was created for you. And also the last one here. So this is what you can see inside your homepage. The second tab that you have access to is requests. This is a list of all the requests that you have. As you can see here, you have different tickets based on the status. For example, you have 2 completed, 1 active ticket, awaiting approval from your side, 1 ticket as well, and 2 cancelled tickets. We have as well here 1 filter. For example, you can view the tickets based on the service. For example, you can see what tickets that you have that were created for the service installation. You can see that for installation you have 1 ticket, support you don't have any ticket, configuration you have 1 ticket. And if you want to see every ticket that you have, you can just click on all services. In the same request tab, you can also create on a new request. to create a new ticket, which we will explain later in another video. The third tab that you have access to is the solution KP. You may know that there are 3 levels of support: the first, second, and third level of support. The first level of support is you are responsible for. Before you send a ticket to the support organization, you may try to fix it by yourself, to see that maybe I can do it by myself as a customer and no need to contact them. So here we provide you with a list of all the expected errors that you may face with their solutions. For example, this one. For example, this is a solution to support Ubuntu. You may find maybe while upgrading your system, if you have an Ubuntu operating system, you may have like one error. And here they explain, for example, what you need to do if you face such an error. For example, they tell you, please use latest package offered from Ubuntu, which you can find in the official website of Ubuntu from the download section, something like that. And you have like a long list here where you can see and try to use before you say, okay, I cannot fix it or solve it, so I'm gonna create a ticket and send it to the support organization. And it can be really useful later on, handy as well for you. Yeah, so the last 2 tabs here, for you as a customer, you may need as well, if you have a project that you are working on with the support organization, you want to see the roadmap, you want to see the tickets and what is the progress so far for your project, and anything that is related, as well the Gantt chart. If you click on the roadmap here, you will be immediately redirected into the roadmap of the project. Here we don't have any tickets so far, but the concept, I think you get it. We give you access to it. The Gantt chart as well. You can see as well all the content of it. It might be useful for you as a customer, and yeah, you have access to it. So yeah, these are like the most important tabs you have as a customer. In the right side, you can see here the username that you are logged in, the company that you belong in this example it's like e-trading, and you have as well access to your account as well. So here you can see that the first name is like this, the last name, your email account, and the language. Please note that in our support portal we provide support to so many different languages: English, German, French, Arabic, Urdu, Turkish, Chinese. So we try to make it really easy for people who don't speak English and would prefer to use their mother language. And yeah, so we do it in so many different localizations using different languages. And here as well you can see the time zone. Yeah, some of the important things that you can benefit. Here you can as well change the password for the support portal for your account. If you want to get a copy of these details, you can click on ICS export and so on. And the last thing that you would need as well is sign out from the support portal.